Hello and welcome, I'm Chris and this is the Hair Tutorial channel, and on this channel I give you the tips and tricks to be a hairdresser. So whether it's cutting, colouring, hair up or just general hairdressing ideas, this is a channel for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button. And on this video I'm going to be doing a layered bob for you. It's quick, it's simple and it is bang on trend. So let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a section right down the middle of the head, right the way from the front, right the way back to about the occipital bone. Okay, so this is the section that we're going to use as our guide. Doesn't matter how short you go with it, really, as long as you're not going seriously short that it disconnects the whole haircut. We're doing a uniform layer here, so we're sort of cutting, following the shape of the head. And we're following it around until we get to just about the occipital bone, which is this section back here, where we start to actually come into the curvature and the shortness. And we don't want to turn this into a graduation. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take horizontal sections and we're going to pull all of this up to this middle section. Okay, so how does that look? Over direct that back to our middle section. Got a nice big guide to follow. Okay, there's my guide. The section's too big, take some of the hair out. Okay, and we're just going to follow that just as we did on the previous cut, pulling everything back to this middle section and just following the shape of the head. Pulling the hair directly out of the head so you get this uniform shape to it. There we go. And then another horizontal section, manageable sections, and we're bringing that back to our central point. Again, just following our guide that we put in and also following the shape of the head. Make sure you follow it all the way, but we're not trying to connect into this. Okay, you should start running out of hair about there. Okay, so again, you can see I'm coming to the shortness of the bob now. So actually if I pull the outline of the bob up, so now pulling in this last section, what you'll find is around the face there will be a bit of hair to come off. This does work when you have the hair cut longer as well, but obviously the longer the exterior, the longer the length, the longer the layer internally needs to be, otherwise you're going to be pulling that length up and cutting it off. So if you have a longer bob, the layer here needs to be left longer because you don't want to start cutting in to your bob length as you do it. Okay, so that's one side done. So now we just repeat on the other side. Okay, now with both sides cut, we're just going to redo the front a little bit. So we're going to take out the fringe section. I'm going to take a section down the middle. Okay, and I'm just going to hold this and I'm just again going to pull this out from the head and take this a little bit shorter, and this time point cut through that just to soften it. Okay, and then I'm going to over direct this section back to there, to the middle, and again just go through soften that. And then that section, over direct back to the middle. And again, just round and soften. Okay, so now whether you want to blow dry it straight or whether you want to keep the texture going throughout it, you just got to blow dry it and style it. So I'll be back in a second.